Is that my fault? Is that my fault?
Yes, you do.
I don't know when. Was it when I was turning right? I was thinking, is that my fault? But did I go too far up or not?
Yeah, so
Not,
on that road, so we have got a shop called Kim
yeah.
and Aim. On that one, what they did, the council, they messed up. They made the road slightly like this. So what happened there? This is a traffic coming here, and if you go much further here, are we impeding the traffic going straight from the left?
Yeah, because that band
So
stopped.
in that one, how many times I say to you, the stopping point for you, so you know where the Kim and M shop is. On here, you have got a black lamp post.
Or you wait until the traffic's
So
clears
you keep your positioning towards the right of the white line.
Yeah.
When your side wing mirror aligned with this lamp post, so you should have been stopped about here like this.
Yeah, until the traffic ahead is gone.
Until the traffic ahead is gone, or the traffic light goes red, or the green filter arrow light then go. But by doing so, do you think that van driver would have been gone easily?
Yeah, it would have, yeah. Because he stopped at first, didn't he? And then he just...
Because yeah, and then he risked it, isn't he? He had to go on the pavement to go around it, because we're kind of occupying his space. How many times we talk about this lamppost over there?
I know. Yeah, my fault. And I said, is that me? And then I thought, oh God, it is me, yeah. I stopped in the wrong place.
Yeah.